Asian stocks down over dimmer economic outlook. Asia-Pacific shares had been usually down on Monday morning over a gloomy financial outlook. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 0.62% via 10:46 p.m. Eastern Time, 2:46 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. South Korea's Kospi received 0.37%. In Australia, the ASX 200 inched down 0.09%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index became down 0.68%. China's Shanghai Composite was down 0.28% even as the Shenzhen Component fell 0.50%. S&P 500 slipped 0.93% and Nasdaq 100 dived 1.77% remaining Friday, as a survey confirmed business enterprise hobby contracting for the primary time in nearly years amid crimson warm inflation and rising interest charges. The U.S. 10-year yield became at about 2.79%, pairing a little of last week's drop. Investors are watching for that. The slower financial enlargement ought to assist to slight high inflation and melt the monetary tightening. A dollar gauge climbed, and oil hovered around $95 a barrel, reflecting a normally cautious mood in markets. Investors are now waiting for this week's policy decision from the U.S. Federal Reserve, as well as earnings from Google parent Alphabet Inc. (Nasdaq), Google, and Era Titan Apple Inc. (Nasdaq), AAPL, with a purpose to help to make clear the monetary outlook. We still see in addition disadvantage for risky belongings as recession fears collect and important banks continue to be committed to fighting inflation on the rate of increase, Standard Chartered Bank plc leader strategist Eric Robertson mentioned in a Observe. Markets are priced for a 75 basis point charge hike from the Fed, with approximately a 9% threat of a complete 1 percentage point growth. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said she doesn't see any sign that the U.S. economy is in a vast recession. In Asia-Pacific, buyers are anticipating progress in a potential restructuring plan for China Evergrande Group (HK) 3333, as the arena's most indebted developer has formerly stated it'd supply an initial plan by means of the give-up of July.